have been quite an interesting morning on the London Metal Exchange today, as we could see earlier today that all the base metal contracts had a price correction after we saw some heavy gains during the last 2 days. After this price consolidation, we could see now that the price are recovering pretty good actually, and that is major due to heavy buying interest of mainly financial market participants who are looking at the dips to be able to buy and to extend their price positions on the LME. These strong gains we have seen in the recent weeks are likely reflect also some caution ahead, of course, of the United States Federal Open Market Committee meeting today, and also Joe Biden's address to the Congress that will definitely have an impact on the market. Of course, we have also the US 10-year treasuries, which are climbing, and also the fall in the US dollar index has stopped for now. If we have a brief look at the current market prices, we can see that copper is now at $9,810 for the moment. That is a loss of 0.7%. We have been much more deeper today, so it has recovered pretty good. The aluminium price is now going up. It was also in the minus earlier today. Now we are at $2,403 a ton. Zinc is almost unchanged, trading at high level of $2,930 for the moment. Nickel is climbing again, 1.5% plus. We are trading at $17,230 on the 3 months price. Lead is also unchanged at $2,097-98 a ton, while tin is actually going up also by 1.5%, trading at $27,600 for the moment. If we have a brief look on the precious metal prices, they are all weaker this morning. The only one going up is platinum at $1,222 the ounce, while the rest is down by an average of 0.5%. Silver is trading at $26 the ounce, palladium at $2,934, and gold is off by 0.3%, trading at $1,769 the ounce. As I said, there is an eye on the US 10-year Treasury yields. They are firmer this morning. They are trading now at 1.64%. After we saw yesterday 1.58 at the similar time. And this rise in the US yields suggests that the market may be expecting the Federal Reserve to highlight on a stronger growth, and that the market may be seen as inflationary, even if the US Central Bank shows some little concern about that. On the currency markets, as I said, the US dollar index is working higher this morning. It was quoted at 91.04. And with this dollar slide halted for now, the major currencies are generally also consolidating against the dollar. The euro is holding levels at 120.70 for the moment. Against the British pound, we are at 138.82. And the yen against the dollar is trading at 108.95, which is weaker compared with the price peak we saw on Friday at 107.34. On the economic calendar, we had also already some data coming out in Japan this morning. There was the retail sales, which have climbed by more than 5%. Later on, we'll have data in Germany about the GfK consumer climate, and also some US data on the goods trade balance, and also the crude oil and wholesale inventories. Well, again, we see definitely a pretty good strength in the market, even if we have some price corrections, or had some price corrections earlier this morning. The buying interest seems to be really good. as soon as there are some price corrections in the metals. Overall, the path of least resistance remains to the upside, as we see, but at these levels a correction can never be ruled out.